recording first.
You create,
then,
yeah, you record it and don't make me host. You want to wait for 1 or 2 minutes, right?
Yeah.
So let's wait, and once you are like, okay, then you can just make me host finally when I'll start, okay?
And I hope it will still record for me.
Yeah. It will record,
Okay.
because you already clicked recording, right?
Sounds good. Yeah, sounds good.
Or in case if it's not, then I will record it and then I'll send you the recording.
Acha, theek hai. Thank you so much. Yeah. Namaste, Sameer ji.
Namaste.
Namaste, Sameer ji.
Namaste.
Namaste, Pallavi ji. Namaste, everyone.
नीतू जी, माला जी, सब मिलने एक बारी.
Namaste.
Namaste. So how many teachers you guys you have, Mudita ji? How many teachers?
Total तो हमारे strength है 16 का.
Okay.
तो आज देखा जाए कितने हर एक लेवल पे हमारे 4 टीचर्स हैं. तो तो सब लेवल के जितने टीचर्स ज्वाइन करेंगे, कई बार हम एक दूसरे को ब्रीफ भी कर देते हैं अगर नहीं कोई ज्वाइन कर पाए. और सिंस हम लोग रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं तो एक ऑप्शन है वो हमारे पास कि हम शेयर कर देंगे.
No, actually I am going to give another session. This session will be with whatever we have done till last month, maybe like 30 days before, what was live. But I will also show you guys on this month 30th or like first week of August. That's a new system where we are actually adding many more things, including e-learning.
Okay.
So ye Rachita, we are planning like all the books. Right now we are in a process where we are scanning all the Hindi USA books. So everything will be digitalized, including our flashcards.
Okay.
Yeah. So because we received like a lot of feedbacks that when teachers are teaching, it's very difficult to keep book in front of camera. You know, so why not we just digitalized it, so I can just share from the website. I can share my book, and at the same time, if parents want, they can also see the book if in their end. So those are the things will be implemented already, but we are just doing integration testing, and everything will be available by next month. Okay. So I think we have now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, including me. So
yeah.
Hey, I had a question, a quick question. So regarding this, books being online, do you have any DRM kind of things, or how would you prevent people from just taking it and passing it to other people who are not in the USA?
See, right now, this is the same question we were discussing. What we are doing is we are not uploading anything like in a PDF format. We are doing everything in image format. So people, first of all, people cannot download anything. But again, like right now, also, if you see all the teachers who are teaching, every teacher has their own hard copy, right? Like books, we are receiving books for each Hindi level. So if somebody wants to do something, we cannot
Sure.
stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But online is going to make it so much more convenient, right?
Convenient only when, if suppose you are into a PDF format, so you can maybe download, but image, like we are trying to see. Yeah, so every page will be an image. So yeah, if you want to download each image, so it's going to take time, and we will see what else we can do to protect. So yeah.
Okay, so we can continue with that session.
Right. Sure. You make me host, right?
जी, आपको मैं होस्ट बना देती हूँ एक बार. जी, बना दिया मैंने ये को.
Thank you. So let me give you like a small 5 minutes background how we started and where we are. Okay. The whole idea was like we had so many issues in Hindi USA Cherry Hill from last 5 years. I have closely watching like what kind of issues teachers are facing. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि like teachers attendance लेती हैं और वो attendance sheet कहीं गुम हो जाता है, and they make a false sheet because they don't have it. Sometimes we submit our midterm exam results to Rachita ji, and even sometimes she don't have that sheet and we don't have that sheet. So many kind of problems are there because we are right now doing everything manual. Everybody is doing their own way, and few schools, they are doing a very good job creating a very nice quiz related things and all, but every school is not able to take advantage of those course materials and all. So that's the reason why we thought, why not become like digitalized everything and do a mechanism where all schools are interconnected. So this is our end goal. You see here right now, the registration we use Active, and so we will bring eventually next year, all the registration will happen through our system. So all these blue things is almost kind of like we touched or we finished. So student management, parent management, teacher management, homework management, attendance, user management, result management, which we finished already. So I'll show you how we did it. And and like student registration will be done by next year session. So next year registrations will 99% like it will be done from our application. So so notice board. So coordinators can talk with parents. Globally, Devendra ji and Rachita ji can send message to every school. A similar way, like teachers can send communicate with parents. So it's like parents can also communicate with teachers. So these are the kind of like overall scenario, and I'll show you like these are the schools which is already live last year. Sorry, this year. So around 11 schools are live, all the Connecticut schools, and few of the New Jersey school, including ours. These are the schools we are targeting by. Somebody joined, Janaki. Okay. So these are the schools which will be live. Like this is the last year data, the school and then student strength. The biggest school is like Edison School. They have 446 students. So let me now. So far, any question here? So this is kind of like you guys have a glance at what we are trying to do or what we are trying to achieve in like 2 years time. So let me close this. So I'll join as a staff. So I am like myself, my role is coordinator and also teacher. So why this is we done like coordinator and teacher? Sometimes the small schools like where they have 25 or 26 kids, what they recommended me like, if our teachers are not coming to school, then we go and teach, and we also take attendance and everything. So we want like all the teachers' rights coordinator should have. So whenever it's needed, we can go and then take an attendance and everything. So I can, as a coordinator, I logged in and I can go as a teacher. So you will see like all these simple buttons are there where I can create assignment, view assignment, record attendance for my students, view attendance, and then recorded assignments means homework is done, not done, and all those things. Record mark sheet is like we automated the mark sheet. So I'll show you how we automated it. So create assignment and all, it's very simple. Let me go. Yeah. So right now I'm coordinator. So because I coordinate as a like I'm coordinator and I also logged in as teacher. So when I see I can go any class and I can record assignment for those class. So I'm a teacher of beginner 1 also. So I can go to beginner 1. All I need to do just see when I selected beginner 1, all my subject like books or materials are coming here with respect to beginner 1. And I can select anything, activity book or our Sikhe Ginti, and then give a just due date. And then write a title, like if it's a project work I'm giving, I can write project. If it's a quiz or assignments or anything, and just write a description here and then submit it. I'm not doing submission here because it's a live system. I'll go back and I'll show you view assignment. So far, whatever beginner 1 or I'll show you, for example, starter 1. So you see here the Himangi ji She is giving all the assignments from last 4 months. So as a teacher, she can see what all assignments she assigned. Okay, it's they are in a descending order, and you can edit it also. Parents will also have the similar view where they can go and see their students' assignments or attendance and all those details. And so create assignment and view assignment. Record attendance, I'll show you like record attendance. It's very simple. I select and we take every Tuesday. So all I need to do is just select July, and suppose we are teaching on Tuesday 14th, I will select. So you can see here all my students are appearing. So for my class B1, these are all students. So I can just say present. So we did a lot of modifications. Right now I'm selecting present for each student or absent. So now the new version will have a checkbox here, and it will be defaulted select for present for all the students. All you need to do is just make sure that who is not present, make absent, or like if somebody is just informed you that they are not coming, they will fall under leave. And you just submit it. Once you submit, this will go to parents. Parents have their own login. They can see the attendance. So if you want, like you have taken attendance from starting from your session July, and then in midterm exam, you want to make sure how much attendance they have. So you want to give marks based on that. You can go here, view attendance, select beginner 1, and then okay, right now nothing is there here. Let me go to May. And I go to details. So see here, you can see like Isan Malik, he has a 92.6% of attendance throughout the year. So this tells me like what is the percentage of attendance so far for the students. And we are in future, like in midterm exam, this percentage, based on this percentage, the marks will go under the template automatically. We are not doing anything. When we are maintaining our homework and attendance and everything, these marks will be automatically, logged into the mark sheet template. So these are my students, and these are like their attendance. You can see overall what is the percentage and everything. So record attendance, view attendance, record assignments. Again here, these are the assignments we are assigning to our students. All I want to make sure that that particular assignment was done, completed, not completed by student. So Adya Chawla, she finished all the homework, or she is not done. But now we, in the newer version, we have here the scaling mechanism where out of 1 to 10, I can put a marks like based on her handwriting. If she is done a homework half or full, based on that, I can give a marks, and then I can give comments also. So that comments and marks will go to parents. So they can see like, okay, how their kids are performing homework, everything, all the statuses. So this is very simple, like, and this is responsive right now. We are developing app also on top of this, but this is responsive. When you open in mobile, you see here, this is a mobile thing. So it automatically converts into menu and everything. So we generally use mobile only. हम स्कूल में जितने भी टीचर्स हैं वो मोबाइल ही यूज करते हैं अटेंडेंस को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. और ठीक है, like if you open here and just select, you'll see like how it looks in. Just a second. So it's kind of like it automatically changes all the view, so you can easily select. So it's very good using mobile. Also, you can just record attendance, give assignments and everything. But yeah, for mark sheet upload or for other admin activities, we definitely want to use desktop. Let me go back to my normal. So again. Okay, let me show you that record marks. Record marks is something, suppose our midterm exams are completed and we all, as a teacher, we get our, like, we have midterm exam template and we have a final year exam template. So midterm exam template is like, it looks like this. आप अगर B1 का देखें तो वार्तालाप, मौखिक शब्दावली, कक्षा वार्तालाप, उपस्थिति एवं गृह कार्य, you know, so these are the Excel. If you see Excel format, same thing you can see, and all these details. So ये automatically calculate होता है. कुल प्राप्तांक, लिखित परीक्षा जो है मिड टर्म का 100 मार्क्स के हैं, और रचिता जी ने कहा है कि जितने भी लिखित हैं उसमें 4 मार्क्स एक्स्ट्रा जो है आप मिड टर्म का भी मेंटेन कीजिए और फाइनल ईयर का भी, और साथ में कमेंट्स भी होंगे. सो आप जब मिड टर्म के एग्जाम्स के बाद मिड टर्म के मार्क्स को आप यहाँ पे फिल करते हो एज ए टीचर, and all you need to do is, after filling all the details, this is all like live data, all you need to do is like save. When you save it in this here, in this window, like you will able to see that beginner 1 mid-year is recorded and submit for approval. So when you click submit, it goes to your respective coordinator and they can view what is happening. So I'll show you that view also. So if I just go as a coordinator and I see like exams and I select B1, so I will see here like view, and then and like there will be another button called reject or submit, publish. So what happens, like reject means I will just view what beginner 1 teacher did, and if I feel like something is wrong, I can just reject it, and then I can give a comment that, hey, please can you modify this because there are some errors on that template. So teacher can go and then they can again do the changes. So you see here, because this year we used this automated system to publish our results. So you can see all our teachers, they filled the mid-year and the final year mark sheet templates, and everything was published by Rachita ji. So it's already published. So parents also can see their mark sheets. So right now this is published. So I'll show you, like as a coordinator, I can go here and I can see mark sheet. Everything, the grace calculation, everything is automation. Like system takes care everything. Like grace में बच्चा पास हुआ है कि फेल हुआ है, उसको प्रमोट करना है, नहीं करना है, everything. So यहाँ पे आप देखिए कि सभी क्लास के सभी लेवल्स के मार्क शीट जनरेट हो चुके हैं और पब्लिश हो चुके हैं. अगर मान लीजिए मैं चाहता हूँ स्टार्टर 1 का मैं देखूं कि what is the mark sheet, I will click mark sheet. So see my students starter 1 who all. So now you see why it's 110. This is the question I had with Rachita ji, that we are actually crossing more than 100% because we have extra marks concept. And if a student gets 100 out of 100 and then extra also, then it's exceeding more than 100%. She said, we just proceed this year because that's what the mechanism we follow. But we will make sure that next year onwards, once I have a conference with everyone, I'll decide how to rectify this. So right now, you'll see like all my students are like pass with their percentage, because S1 में oral ही होता है, and there is one student actually he's a dropout. So that's why. So now you see here, if I click show mark sheet, so you can see system generated this certificate automatically. It bought all the names. टीचर का नाम अपने आप आता है. अगर टीचर्स प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी टीचर हैं तो दोनों के नाम आएंगे यहाँ पे. Or Shama Soni is our S1 teacher. She's also level coordinator also for S1. So her name is here in Hindi name, English name, everything. And you see here, under ये सारे चीज automatically fill हो जाते हैं. मौखिक, लिखित अगर है तो लिखित. These comments are coming again from teacher. I'll show you how it is coming from teacher. And because this बच्चा is like pass, so विद्यार्थी को कनिष्ठ 2 स्तर में जाने की अनुमति दी जाती है. Student is permitted to move on starter. So everything will be caught. So all what we are doing now, it's so easy that we are only doing like midterm exams are done. We are filling all the data for midterm. Final exams are done. We filling final exams done, and then coordinator will click 3 buttons. That's it. Mark sheet will be generated and parents will receive their mark sheet. So I'll show you, like if I go as a parent, what I can see. I think I have that. So if I go as a parent, I'll show my son's mark sheet. So if I log in, so if your password is defaulted password, it will keep asking you to change your password. Otherwise, system will lock. Like after 5 attempts, system will lock your like login. You have to again request to the admin to unlock the system. So see, as a parents right now, we have only 4 things. I can see view assignments, all my son's assignment here. He's a part of I1 student. So I can see all the assignments given by I1 teacher and when and what. All this is assignments for my son. And I can also see view attendance. I can see, okay, how many times he's present, what is absent, leave, go back. I can see my son mark sheet. I can download it. So this is my son's result for this year. Okay, and you see here there are Vandana Verma and Charu Khurana. Is those 2 teachers are there in I1. Vandana is my wife. So Charu Khurana. So these 2 are teachers. So you can see here like everything automatically like okay. If suppose there is a concept here, अगर कोई बच्चा जो है वो 65 मार्क्स लेके आता है ओरल में या लिखित में, सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली उसको पास कर देगा ग्रेस मार्क्स देके, एंड यू विल फाइंड हियर 70%. एंड आप यहाँ पे देखिए स्टार है, रेड स्टार मीन्स इंक्लूड ग्रेस मार्क्स पॉइंट. सो ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार आ जाएगा उस नंबर और परसेंटेज के आगे. यू विल एबल टू सी द स्टार. So that tells that this person or student is pass, but with a grace marks. So this automatically system take care of that. So as of now, as a teacher, like parent, what I'm doing, and I can also go exam marks. I will select midterm. So I can see that my son वार्तालाप में कैसे marks आए हैं, कक्षा वार्तालाप, and all these details along with the comments from teacher. Okay, and I can also see final year, but again final year template is very big. So Rachita ji told us like don't show everything, just show the important things like attendance or homework and total how much in oral, and then extra credit if they have anything, and the written exam results, likhit, and these comments from teachers. So these are the details actually going in our you see here it says excellent and best. So if you go back and see view mark sheet, it should be the same thing, excellent for my son and best here. So this is actually filling whatever teachers are commenting there, it's appearing here. So so this is how we automated mark sheet also. So next year onwards, all we are doing is just teachers will take care, they will go. All they need to do is, let me go as a teacher.
Can I ask a quick question here?
Yeah, sure, please.
For assignments, I understand that teachers will be able to view the assignments. Where on this parent page, how are parents submitting the assignments? Is it using the system or manually?
No, see before COVID-19, like this, all classes were physical classes for us. So what we used to do is like, as a parent, I will come here and I'll see what is my latest assignment is. And then my kids will make sure that assignment is done, and we used to submit physically, right? But now it's online. So we are still not sure, like I'm still talking to Rachita ji that how we are going to submit that. You want something here, so I can put it like they can upload as assignment and teachers can see, because that flow is not done yet. Still our parents, what they're doing is like they are just submitting via WhatsApp or something. So this is under discussion that how we will do in current situation. So she said I will let you know, because we are also focusing on e-learning thing where we are digitizing books and other things. So she said for a time being, we will think how to do it. Maybe like in future, if it's really needed, then we will ask you to do like a mechanism where parents can upload all the assignments or submit their homework online. That's not there right now. ठीक है, वो अभी नहीं है इसमें ऐसा है कि सिर्फ पेरेंट्स अपने मोबाइल से देख सकते हैं कि क्या असाइनमेंट है, और मेक श्योर कर सकते हैं कि वो असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट हुआ है और बच्चा होमवर्क करके जा रहा है. बिफोर हम कैसे करते थे कि व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भेजते थे असाइनमेंट को, अब हम व्हाट्सएप यूज नहीं करते हैं। चेरिल हिंदी से जो है वो व्हाट्सएप यूज नहीं करते हैं मोस्टली 99% टाइम। वी मेक श्योर एवरीथिंग वी विल मैनेज विद दिस। ओनली होमवर्क चेक करने वाला जो है वो there is no mechanism right now here, so they are doing manual. That answers your question?
Yeah, so now the teachers they receive the kids homework on through WhatsApp or email, and
Right.
that's how they record it. If you log in as a teacher, that's how they record
Yeah.
it. It's completed.
Right. So ये आप व्यू असाइनमेंट देखिए, ये तो अभी यहाँ पे व्यू असाइनमेंट रिकॉर्ड असाइनमेंट में ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है। आप यहाँ पे जा सकते हो। मैं बिगनर 1 का हूँ, अगर उन्होंने भेज दिया मुझे, फॉर एग्जांपल माय असाइनमेंट इज दिस वन, आओ सीखे हिंदी, this is my assignment. So all I'll go record here and I'll say my Adya Chawla, she finished homework and I have to give here marks. I'll show you the new prototype. It's not completed yet. I just don't want to show you, but I'm opened it. This is a new prototype. जब आप लोग जुलाई में जब लॉगिन करोगे, this is exactly how this will look like. You know, as a coordinator, when I log in, I will see home, staff, students. I can see all my staff, all my teachers. I can see all my students. I can see all my parents. I can edit students, add parents, calendar, my school calendar, attendance, same thing, assignments, exam mark sheet, e-learning. E-learning, we are right now integrating it. So everything will be available by July, August 1st. So promotion management, because my 12 schools students are already, you know, they went to the next level. So it's my duty as a coordinator that I'll make sure that I'll promote all my students to a next level. So it's in single click, you will promote all your students from one level to other level based on pass or not pass, because we are recording already all the marks. So based on the marks, who is pass or fail, my system knows. So it gives a flag to my coordinator that these are the patient, you know, like students who is already went to the next level. And in future, we are even integrating with registration also. Like when my system will do registration from here, so that means system knows, my system knows that कि किस बच्चे ने नए साल के लिए जो है ना वो एडमिशन ले लिया है। तो आप जब प्रमोट करने के लिए जाओगे प्रमोशन मैनेजमेंट में, तो वो फ्लैग एक कलर आ जाएगा कि इन बच्चों को, ये बच्चे पास हो गए हैं, इनमें से 10 बच्चों में से 5 बच्चों ने फीस पे कर दिया है, 4 बच्चों ने फीस पे नहीं किया है। तो आप जब प्रमोट करोगे बच्चों को, तो you can carefully promote those kids to a next level. So all this will be taken care as we go forward. ठीक है? So right now, this will be how it will look like in August onwards. Login as teacher. Okay, this is a teacher view. Yeah, this is like, again we are doing testing right now, so I don't want to show this, but this is how it will be. When you open, this dashboard will look like this, even for teacher also, and for coordinators also, and for level coordinators also. So going back to the current system. Oh, okay, let me show you here what I was talking. My attendance, view attendance, record exam mark sheet. View assign. Okay, my attendance is something like teacher's attendance. This was requested by many coordinators from, like, even including Manakji, Edison School, because he said I have a 30 teachers, 460 students. So I don't know like who all teachers are not coming today. So if I have a glance that where I can just see that, okay, out of 30, 25 are present, I will make sure that all wherever the classes teachers are not there, somebody should be there or somebody is present. So I want teachers should give their attendance when they are coming. It's a very simple thing. When you log in through your mobile, all you need to do is just, you will be defaulted to your school. You will select your date when the class is, and you say present or absent or leave, submit it. So whoever is your coordinator, they will know that who all teachers are present or absent. So this is actually teachers attendance. And I was trying to show you like something else. View attendance, record assignment, view assignment, create assignment, record assignment. So see, this is what I'm talking. So aap yahan dekhiye, I'm saying that it's completed, not completed, and I can just give marks. It's an incremental order of 0.5. So you will see like, okay, out of 10, I can give 8.5. So based on these recordings here, whatever I'm doing recording here, based on these recordings, we will make sure that throughout year, how my student is doing with respect to homework. It's completed, not completed. So we also got a suggestion that along with these marks, you put one more box here so teachers can give comments कि बच्चे ने कैसे परफॉर्म किया, हैंडराइटिंग सुधारी है. So when parents will see every week, वो देख सकते हैं कि okay, where I have to improve or where my kids has to improve. So every week they can see, and this will create a graph also, like overall how the statistic is with respect to homework for that kid, or school wise how every kid is performing assignment wise. Okay. So you understood now, right?
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Anyone has any other question?
I
Hello?
think it's, nahi, Venuji, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's and we are
Yes.
recording also, so people
Right.
can just go to see the recording. वो भी कर सकते हैं. तो ठीक है, फिर इतना ही था presentation.
I
right?
had a quick question.
Sure.
Yeah.
So Venuji, you mentioned what is currently being used, but with the introduction of the e-learning system, is it going to kind of change some of the flows here, or
No.
how's it gonna look?
Everything. See, dekhiye, right now in the screen, what you're seeing, everything is like login as coordinator, create assignment, view assignment. Up there is no button for e-learning here, right? So because this was, so what we did in here, this will be the flow when the new system. It's the same thing, same buttons, only little bit the color and all we changed. We organized in a way so it looks like product.
I see. I mean, I'll just give you an example. So, for example, for the attendance and everything, right? You don't have to kind of mark it, because once the kids log into their classrooms, they would automatically be marked absent or present, right? The teachers don't have to kind of do that. This is just an example.
Okay, when they log in, right? So generally, like kids don't, kids were not log in actually. That was before. You are saying like the attendance and record, like at assignment concept was when there was not e-learning. E-learning concept was just introduced 1 month back.
Sure.
By Rachita ji, because she had a concern that many teachers, without taking her permission, they are just scanning the books because they want their convenience. They want to show that scanned book on the screen to kids. So she said, no, this is not what I want. I want a centralized system where I want to keep all the digitalized book, and all teachers will have access, and they can just show from that common access. They will show their books. And so now that concept came, so we are thinking in a different way, like how we can make sure that
Correct. Exactly.
That's a good thing. But again, the challenge is when I'm teaching to any student, what is the guarantee that the student will log into the system? Because I am just sharing my screen like how I'm sharing right now with you, and I will open a book and I'll start teaching. So we should have a mechanism in place where we are telling that each students has to log in no matter what, and then open their books online. But this is again temporary, because what Rachita ji said, physical schools are more important than these digital books. I just want to make sure that these books are only available for teachers, not for parents right now. So that means kids cannot open their books online. So they have to have physical books, and they can read from that book. So that means if they are not logging into the system, then system will not know that my kid is present or absent. So that means teacher has to come here. They will go to the record my attendance. They will call name, and whoever is coming on Zoom, I will say that, hey, Adya, that's how I used to take attendance like this year. Adya Chawla, I will take name. Everybody will say, yes, sir, my present home. So I will keep attendance and I'll submit in front of them. So it's submitted. So that's how we were maintained so far. But it's a good suggestion that once e-learning came and everything is, under proper process, everybody is following, we will integrate it. As soon as somebody is logged into the system, system knows that this person logged in, so it's a present. Again, कभी-कभी parents log in कर जाते हैं और हमें पता नहीं लगता है कि student है नहीं है, you know.
No, I think
because-
you'll have to give us a different student ID and a parent ID.
Yes. No.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's what you will get it. Right now, if I have 2 students, like my daughter just graduated from, so if
I see.
my 2 students are there, I will see 2 lines here, like first name of my student, second name as a parent my student, and there all the details. So I'm also giving access to teachers also. Parent login will be separate, and sorry, not teacher. Every kid will
Okay.
have their
So,
unique.
correct. So it seems that, we'll cross the bridge when we kind of, fully, make a decision to go with the e-learning and then integrate these processes.
Yeah. I suggested that this year, Devendraji, that now we are digitalizing everything. Why not we go for e-learning Hindi USA? So they are still showing some concerns, but they said we will definitely think this year. The reason is, he said his biggest concern was, what if my physical school parents who are coming right now, they will say like, you know what, we also want to join e-learning. We don't want to come physical school. So his concern is like, जो इम्पैक्ट पढ़ाने में फिजिकली रहता है वेनु जी, वो इम्पैक्ट ऑनलाइन में हम दे नहीं सकते हैं. सो मैंने उनको बताया कि आप ऐसा कीजिए, आप एक प्रोटोकॉल बनाइए अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए कि जो बच्चे सर्टेन माइल्स या 60 माइल्स से दूर हैं, या फिर वो बच्चे चल नहीं सकते, या फिर वो हिंदी सीखना चाहते हैं, उनमें कुछ फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी है, या फिर ऐसे स्टेट्स जहाँ पे स्कूल्स नहीं है, उन स्टेट्स के लिए आप ई लर्निंग प्रोवाइड कीजिए. So that way we will spread all over the US, and even they are thinking now, why not we can go Canada, we can go other countries also if we have e-learning. So this e-learning concept also it introduced by me only, so they are very happy, and then we are moving into that direction. It will take at least 1 year, 1.5 years to reach a full-fledged e-learning system, but this is just a start.
Okay, cool. And I mean, just out of curiosity, you guys planning to do this fall, starting fall, you guys are planning to do in-person schooling for Hindi USA in New Jersey?
No, in person, no one is getting schools before January.
Exactly, that's what I was thinking. Yeah.
So this is just a start. That's the reason.
Okay.
Flashcards. We are facing problems to get flashcards from India, because everything is coming from India, right? So shipping में problem है, बहुत सारी चीजों में problem है. तो मैंने कहा कि flashcards को online कर देते हैं. आप flashcards हटा दीजिए. No need to print any flashcards in future, क्योंकि सभी बच्चों के लिए flashcards online होंगे, और flashcards जो है वो flip भी होगा अपने आप, और उसमें एक voice over भी रख रहे हैं हम. My teachers are actually creating voice over also. So आप जब click करेगा बच्चा, तो that voice will come. For example, G for Gamla, Gha for so like that. Everything will be there online. So flashcards will be there online for S2 to I1. And I2 also planning to create flashcards. So now, because it's online, everybody wants their own flashcard. So I think we will, within 1 year, we will not print any more flashcards in future. That's what our plan is. So this is just a start. Once we do flashcards online, we'll see how further we can go e-learning things. Because we want to create a separate panel, might be Devendraji has to decide, can we create a separate panel who will focus on e-learning only. So this is not yet decided, that board of directors has to decide, but this is just a start. Because they want to go back to physical schools as soon as this COVID-19 situation will be, cool down. So minimal.
Okay, cool. Cool, thanks. Yeah.
I had a question actually. जैसे पूरा ऑनलाइन है, तो अभी मुझे ये था, जैसे बहुत सारे जैसे नॉन हिंदी स्पीकिंग फैमिली पेरेंट्स होते हैं, तो दे कीप आस्किंग फॉर रिसोर्सेज कि हमें रिसोर्सेज चाहिए कि हम अपने बच्चों को दिखा सकें या पढ़ा सकें. जैसे अभी फ्लैश कार्ड का आपने आइडिया दिया, तो ये मुझे अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि जैसे जो हिंदी स्पीकिंग फैमिलीज नहीं है, उनके लिए बहुत आसान हो जाएगा कि वो फ्लैश कार्ड से खुद भी प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीख सकेंगे और बच्चों को सिखा सकेंगे, विच इज वेरी गुड. तो उसी लाइंस पे अगर एक टैब और हो जहाँ पे जैसे पेरेंट्स मांगते हैं तो हम ईमेल करते हैं, तो वी कैन हैव अ सेपरेट टैब जहाँ पे पेरेंट्स जाके अपना देख सकें कि ठीक है, S1 लेवल के बच्चों के लिए ये रिसोर्सेज हैं. तो और क्योंकि अभी जैसे पहले हम भी बहुत बार मुद्दा जैसे पूछते थे कि कुछ रिसोर्सेज है क्या जो बाकी स्कूल्स ने लेवरेज किए हों, तो वी कैन जस्ट यूज दैट. तो किसी भी स्कूल को कोई अच्छा रिसोर्स मिलता है तो वो वहाँ पे डाल दे, तो एवरीबॉडी इज
राइट. So what I had a call with all the level coordinators. Any level coordinators here in your school? No, right? Like level coordinator.
नहीं, हमारे सारे तो ईस्ट कोस्ट में है ना, हम लोग उन्हीं को फॉलो करते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे।
राइट, सो
Yeah.
तो लास्ट वीक लेवल कोऑर्डिनेटर्स के साथ जो मीटिंग हुआ था वो इसलिए रखा गया था कि आई शेयर्ड ऑल द टेम्पलेट्स बिकॉज माय ई लर्निंग व्हेन वी आर creating all the quizzes, quiz banks, we are creating quiz banks. So when we are creating quiz banks, I need all questions. So what I did, like I created all the templates. So I shared all the templates with level coordinators. So what they are doing is starting from S1 के बच्चे छोटे हैं, but starting from S2, B1, B2, everyone, they are creating a question banks. And then I'll show you. I think it's better. It will take 5 minutes. Books, flashcard in the USA. Yeah. So these are templates. So see, show you. So this is already like teachers are working on it. Yesterday I had a call with B1 level coordinator. So see all this like single choice, single response, you know. So these questions, these are all templates. So true and false. So किस तरह के questions हम single choice में कर सकते हैं, किस तरह के multiple questions होंगे, ये template है. इस template format में यहाँ पे सभी schools के लिए लागू होगा ये question, किस level के लिए है, कौन से book के लिए है, root level पे हम questions बना रहे हैं. So answer to your question is like once these question banks are ready for all levels, then we are creating quizzes, and the idea behind that is जैसे जैसे हम पढ़ाएंगे, जैसे अगर मैं सितंबर से क्लासेस शुरू करता हूँ और सितंबर में मैंने B1 का चैप्टर 1 चैप्टर 2 पढ़ाया, तो लेवल कोऑर्डिनेटर वहां से वो क्विज का परमिशन देंगी, तो आप लोगों के पास वो क्विजेस अवेलेबल होंगे. टीचर्स अपने बच्चों को कह सकती हैं कि आप पहले 2 चैप्टर का घर जाके ऑनलाइन लॉगिन कीजिए और क्विजेस को प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. So all quizzes will be available by October. So every level is starting from S2, B1, B2, I1, I2, I3, A1, A2. Everyone will have to play quizzes time to time. जैसे जैसे टीचर्स पढ़ाएंगी वैसे वैसे लेवल कोऑर्डिनेटर्स क्विजेस को रिलीज करेंगे और वो क्विज बैंक्स को जाकर वो बच्चे खेल सकते हैं. अब जब क्विज आ गया तो अब ये सवाल होता है कि छोटे बच्चों के लिए कितना ज्यादा इंटरैक्टिव क्विज बनाया जाए. You know, flashes home and you know some kind of interactive things that will take more time because when we are including flash and everything that takes more. But these templates like single response or like I'll show you other things like group questions for बड़े बच्चों के लिए template group. इसमें बड़े बच्चों के questions ऐसे हैं. You know that A1 level प्यारा दोस्त कहानी के आधार पर नीचे लिखे प्रश्नों का उत्तर दीजिए. So the challenge here is how the kids are going to write it. So anyone, I think you in your school level I3 का शायद online exam हुआ था, right? Using classmaker.com.
हमारे यहाँ पर नहीं, नॉट सैन डिएगो, ईस्ट कोस्ट के स्कूल में. जी
ठीक है. तो जब ये चैलेंज उनके लिए भी था बिकॉज classmaker.com में भी ऐसा रिटर्न वाला कोई मैकेनिज्म नहीं है. हम तो उन बच्चों ने क्या किया कि गूगल इनपुट टूल को यूज करके वहां पे वो टाइप करके हिंदी में लिख के फिर उसको कॉपी करके यहाँ पे पेस्ट करते थे क्लासमेकर में. तो क्योंकि देखिए लिखना होगा तो फिर हिंदी टाइपराइटर चाहिए बच्चों को, तो वो एक चैलेंज है कि हम कैसे लिखवाएं उनसे. तो रचिता जी वाज स्ट्रिक्टली टेलिंग लाइक if there is no mechanism to write down in Hindi, then how my kids will learn writing Hindi? These questions, quizzes are fine for throughout year. They can play, practice, everything is fine. But how we will do a written practice online? That's the challenge, and we are discussing how we can resolve that. So otherwise, we said like we can give a boxes and we can create all these questions, but somebody has to write the same way how they did in a classmaker. Like in अगर उनके पास गूगल वो ओपन करके वहाँ पे टाइप करके पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि बड़े बच्चे हैं, A2 लेवल के बच्चे बड़े होते हैं, A1 के बड़े हैं, they can do it, not like smaller kids. B1 लेवल के बच्चे जो मेरे क्लास के बच्चे काफी छोटे हैं, they cannot go and do all those things. So we will see, maybe like वो अपने नोटबुक में लिख के उसको शायद अपलोड कर दें सिस्टम पे, वो हो सकता है. So again, like once the question banks are created, we can use that question bank to create midterm exam and final year exam also. So that means every class, every school can give online exam for upcoming mid-year. If they don't want to, just how we did for I3 using Classmaker, we can use this system once the question bank is ready, and then we can conduct online exam for all level, all kids. Maybe like not for S1 and S2 because they are very little, but all other, starting from B1 till A2, we can do an online exam for midterm also. So that's why the all level coordinators and few of the teachers are working, and they are creating question bank for all different type of questions. So you are seeing here, this is a group questions. Similar way, I have other templates, which is mix and match. जितने भी B1 के हैं वो like this. You'll see like this is mix and match. So left hand side, all the selections will be there. Right hand side drop down will be there, and you have to match with left hand side. Left hand side images you can keep, and then answers. So I'll show you. They sent me some templates. So if I open a B1, so we are still designing how we can change these questions into a format how online. So यहाँ पे देखिए जैसे ये है, जैसे ये स्पेशल है, ये हम कंपलसरी रखते हैं B1 के लिए. वॉवेल्स जो है वो लिखने पड़ते हैं, कॉन्सोनेंट्स का एक मैट्रिक बना हुआ है यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर. अब इसको कैसे लेके आएंगे, तो हमने कहा कि इसका स्पेशल डिजाइन करेंगे. सिस्टम में हम जो कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं और ये मैट्रिक स्ट्रक्चर बना देंगे, यहाँ पे ड्रॉप डाउन होगा और सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली रेंडमली कुछ लेटर्स को फिल कर देगा, और बच्चों को क्या है ना, वो ड्रॉप डाउन में से सेलेक्ट करके वो कॉन्सोनेंट्स को भरने हैं और एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में भरने हैं. So this is what we want to do a special designs for Hindi USA based on their need. A similar way, this also the top one vowels. And what about these things? This is mix and match. हमने left hand side पे pictures दिखा दिया, and then we are asking question. We will show these letters in drop down. Kids has to select कि ध किसको belong करता है या फिर ग किसको belong करता है. This. So we are converting all these questions, and we are seeing what is the best way we can just convert these questions into digital format. Whether this will fall under mix and match, or this will fall a multi-choice or single choice, like similar way we have multi-choice also. So you all are IT guys, so it's easy for you guys to understand. So multi-choice is like this. See template, it's the same thing. What type of credit cards do you have? So we are selling, we have a multiple choices, like please select colors in the flag. So they can choose a multiple. So these things are possible online. Now we are seeing like for S2 and S1, we have a bigger challenges because Rachita ji want me to do more like flash and more like where kids can just use their iPads, and left hand side you are showing some colors, and right hand side some images. They are just picking that and dropping. So some kind of those will take more time to design. So we are starting with this.
Basically what I was looking for, यहाँ वो तो टाइम लगेगा, बट जैसे अभी S1 में क्या होता है, बहुत बार पेरेंट्स पूछते हैं, we keep sending email, उसकी जगह if there is a tab which they can go to, okay, ये extra resources हैं which you can just use. So वो resources they can be anything, they can be Google links, कुछ videos जो Google पे हमें अच्छे लगते हैं.
अच्छा वैसे कह रहे हैं आप, okay.
हाँ, तो इसमें तो टाइम लगेगा, लेकिन जैसे बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज हैं जो हिंदी स्पीकिंग पेरेंट्स के लिए इट्स इजी, बट जो नॉन हिंदी है उनको नहीं समझ आता कि मैं अपने बच्चे को क्या दिखाऊं. अगर मेरा बच्चा S1 में है, मैं उसको क्या दिखाऊं, क्या
पढ़ाऊं. Great idea. So can we do this like we will put for parents we'll put a resources, and all teachers are doing is they are providing link.
That's it. Because टीचर्स को आइडिया है ना कि उनके लेवल के बच्चों के लिए क्या अच्छा है, तो जस्ट मे बी कोऑर्डिनेटर कैन लुक इनटू इट एंड अप्रूव इट और नॉट अप्रूव इट, व्हाटएवर इट इज.
दैट शुड बी देयर, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि जब आप अपने देखिए ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ये हिंदी यूएसए का प्रोडक्ट है, व्हेन आई एम गिविंग सम लिंक व्हिच इज यू आर रेफरिंग टू सम अदर वेबसाइट, मे बी यूट्यूब और समथिंग, all kind of approvals are needed. So I need to ask, I will just present this idea to Rachita ji. Once I get approval, then definitely.
Maybe teachers can get a link. Teachers वहाँ पे अपना link डाल दें, and a coordinator, if they say this is okay, they approve it, and then parents को दिख जाए कि हाँ ये extra resources हैं, क्योंकि बहुत questions आते हैं जो non हिंदी speaking parents हैं उनके, तो हमें हर बार हम we are like, क्योंकि हम लोग का स्कूल नया था, तो we tried our best to provide something that then, but we always had questions from मुदिता जी कि कुछ ऐसा है क्या जो बाकी स्कूल से हम leverage कर सके. Why to reinvent the wheel? कुछ और है तो हम यूज कर लेते हैं.
That's the reason why this quiz bank and everything is coming, because Rachita ji said like there are many schools, they are already using quiz banks. So we can just load those entire
हाँ,
bank here. So
S1 के
all
लिए
schools, जी, S1 के लिए कुछ
हाँ, S1 के लिए तो इट्स मोस्टली गोना बी लाइक वीडियोस और सम बहुत अच्छी वेबसाइट है जो हम
कुछ
पेरेंट्स को
एप्स भी है
गाइड
ना,
कर
कुछ
सकते हैं।
जी, कुछ एप्स भी हैं जो S1
हाँ,
यूज करती
लेकिन वो
हैं।
पेरेंट्स को नहीं पता होते, स्पेशली जो नॉन हिंदी है उनको नहीं समझ आएगा।
जी,
तो
नहीं आएगा उनको, राइट।
उनको
हाँ,
हम बताएंगे तो दे कैन ऑलवेज से ओके दिस इज व्हाट इज गुड, इट हैज कम फ्रॉम द टीचर, सो वी कैन
I
फॉलो।
think Kahoot is one of the app somebody from Edison's or some other schools
हाँ,
were using, yeah,
so
Kahoot.
yeah, so all the ask is like if we can put something in a separate link saying these are the parents
Sure.
resources for
Yeah,
S1.
sure. Let me bring that to Rachita ji.
Sure.
I have a meeting today, so I'll talk to her. And other than that, we are also giving for parents like left-hand side poems, because that is one thing. We saw like every year before poem competition, parents आते हैं और as a teacher हमें पूछते हैं कि
हाँ,
आपके पास कोई अच्छी कविता है क्या?
हाँ,
So why not we
कविता
just जी poem रख देते हैं और level wise सारे poems को यहाँ
हाँ,
डाल दें.
क्योंकि
तो
लेवल नहीं समझ आता पेरेंट्स को।
level wise हम लोग as a level coordinators we will decide it कि what poem should fall under which level. So at least जब parents log in करेंगे तो उन्हें एक idea हो जाएगी, okay मैं अपने बच्चे के लिए इन कविताओं में से कोई एक कविता select कर सकता हूँ for competition, right? And the other idea we are bringing is like so far we have so many कविता competitions already happened. So हम उन कविता competitions के जो videos है उसको डाल सकते हैं.
हाँ,
So जी हाँ, तो वो आइडिया भी है कि बच्चे जो है वो जाके रेफर कर सकते हैं उन वीडियोस को और वो सीख सकते हैं. ठीक है. So this is overall system. I think it's a self-explanatory thing. It's not very complicated. Any other question?
वेणु जी, माय क्वेश्चन इज कि अभी हमारा जो मिड टर्म होगा वो पहले होगा, ईस्ट कोस्ट के स्कूल से पहले होता है हमारा, क्योंकि हमारा स्कूल भी 16 अगस्त से शुरू होने वाला है. तो डू यू थिंक कि तब तक कुछ आपके पास रेडी हो पाएगा हमारे मिड टर्म के लिए, क्योंकि इस साल हम लोग I1 भी ऐड कर रहे हैं हमारे लेवल में.
तो रेडी हो पाएगा मींस लाइक एग्जाम से रिलेटेड आप कह रहे हैं?
जी जी, लाइक जो राइटिंग वाला आपने दिखाया ना कि जहाँ पर बच्चों को राइट करना है तो वो लोग जाके गूगल इंक में लिखें और फिर कॉपी पेस्ट करें.
क्वेश्चन लाइक आप चाहते हैं
जी.
ऑनलाइन एग्जाम, राइट?
जी,
वो हो जाएगा अगर हमारे पास क्वेश्चन बैंक रेडी हो, क्योंकि लास्ट वीक ही कॉल हुआ है और मैंने क्वेश्चन बैंक शेयर किया टेम्पलेट्स. रचिता जी सेइंग लाइक दे स्टार्टेड ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयरिंग, but if all questions are available then my system is available. The only challenge is like when we will get questions. And exams कब हैं आपके बच्चों के मिड टर्म के?
मिड टर्म तो हम लोग अगस्त में शुरू करते हैं, तो हम लोग करीब कब लेते हैं इनका एग्जाम? वेट 1 सेकेंड.
शायद हम लोग यहाँ पे दिसंबर नहीं
जी दिसंबर में लेते हैं क्या? दिसंबर नहीं, जनवरी दिसंबर के अराउंड लेते हैं हम लोग एग्जाम.
जी जी, आपका हाँ आपके 1 महीने बाद हमारा होता है, जैन या फेब में होता है, राइट?
हाँ
जी ठीक है. तो दिसंबर तक तो ये सिस्टम रेडी रहेगा. इवन दिसंबर तक तो हमारा ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन भी रेडी रहेगा. ठीक है. सो वी हैव एनफ टाइम. दिसंबर इज सो लाइक.
और वेणु जी, एक और चीज डाला जा सकता है, एक टैब जहां पर आप एक टैब ही डाल दीजिए जहां पर आप बच्चों को लेकिन क्विक एक्सेस में हो कि ये 2 रिसोर्स हमारे पास है जहां हम टाइप करके कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं हिंदी टू इंग्लिश और इंग्लिश टू हिंदी वाला.
वी आर प्लानिंग टू लाइक देखिए अगर हम रिटर्न वाला मैकेनिज्म देंगे ना, तो आई एम स्टिल प्लानिंग लाइक कैन आई ब्रिंग आई एम फीलिंग लाइक इफ आई कैन पुट दैट एपीआई इटसेल्फ, जहाँ पे हम गूगल में जाके टाइप करते हैं ना, वो अगर एपीआई को हम लिंक कर दें यहाँ पे, तो फिर कहीं और जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. उसी स्क्रीन में आप टाइप करोगे तो वो हो जाएगा. लेकिन रचिता जी कह रही है कि होता प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वेणु जी गूगल में तो अपने आप सब कुछ, आप कुछ भी लिखिए तो वो दिखा देता है,
करेक्शन भी कर देता है.
करेक्शन कर देता है, तो फिर बच्चे सीखेंगे कैसे? उनका वो अभी सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न ही है भैया. कह रही है कि गूगल आंसर दे देता है, फिर बच्चों का फिर अपना मेहनत तो कुछ लगा ही
नहीं. वो बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि हम लोग इस साल ऑनलाइन कंडक्ट कराए और बच्चे लिख लिख के टीचर्स को स्कैन करके पेपर्स भेजे, तो कम से कम उनका लिखने का प्रैक्टिस हो गया. हम लोग बहुत परफेक्ट नहीं कर पाए, विच इज ओके, क्योंकि ये हमारा फर्स्ट ईयर था. अगले साल हम थोड़ा बेटर सोच के करेंगे तो बच्चे लिख के स्कैन करके भेज सकते हैं. हमको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उस काम को करने में भी, लेकिन हमको और बेटर वे दिखना है.
जी 2 ऑप्शंस हैं. आप ऐसे एग्जाम्स में ऐसा कीजिए कि एक ऑप्शन है, मैं अपलोड बटन दे दूं, बच्चों ने जितने भी लिखित वाले हैं एग्जाम से रिलेटेड वो सारे लिख लिया, लिखने के बाद उन्होंने अपलोड कर दिया, वो मैनुअल चेक होगा. और जितने भी क्विज रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं वो डायरेक्ट हम अपने इससे पूछ सकते हैं।
वो
जैसे
भी
हमारे
बहुत अच्छा है। हाँ, वो भी बहुत सही है।
वो
सही
भी
है।
बहुत सही है। सो
हाँ।
वी कैन सेटिस्फाई रचिता जी आल्सो दैट दैट्स व्हाट शी वांट।
हाँ, नहीं, रचिता जी और देवेंद्र जी बहुत अच्छी बात बोल रहे हैं कि एक फिजिकल स्कूल का अपना एक वैल्यू है और
अलग
राइटिंग का एक अपना इम्पोर्टेंस है,
जी
और इसको हम, ये अपने पैरामीटर ही इसका डिफरेंट है, पर ठीक है,
डिफरेंट
आज हमारा ये समय ऐसा है कि हमको इनोवेट करना पड़ रहा है अपने आप को, विच इज
राइट
ओके,
राइट
विच इज फाइन टू, बट we will go as we cross the bridge, we'll see how it goes, you know.
yes and we don't want to invest time which is not useful in going forward, so we are focusing what is really important for Hindi USA right now. जैसे कि
जी,
अगर मैंने सारा मैकेनिज्म कर दिया और फ्यूचर में कहते हैं कि नो 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 आवर फिजिकल क्लासेस आर ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड, वी डोंट वांट टू यूज ऑनलाइन एग्जाम मैकेनिज्म, but we are building this, so if future if they want to go for e-learning, at least for those panels and for those students this particular application will be like you know like applicable or useful, not for
wonderful,
our physical classes. तो ये
wonderful.
एक्चुअल में फ्यूचर बिल्ड कर रहे हैं कि e-learning for all other schools which are coming future, that's what their agenda is, like to how to spread entire US. So that's the reason why we are developing. So any
कोई
other
और,
question?
या कोई और क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि हम लोग का 1 घंटा हो गया ऑलमोस्ट, सो
ठीक है
maybe we will share the recording and वहां से अगर कोई और न्यू क्वेश्चन आए तो वेणु जी will approach you.
yeah let me make you host.
जी,
जी
are we good team? I think most of us like pretty good. हम लोग फिर ठीक ही हैं. Thank you वेणु जी. फ्यूचर
ठीक
का
है
क्वेश्चंस हम आपके तरफ डायरेक्ट कर देंगे, है ना?
ठीक है, thank you very much guys,
Thank you
thanks
so
for
much.
time.
हाँ, thank
Yeah,
you.
have a good day. Yeah.
वेणु जी आप 1 मिनट, वेणु जी he is the one who left first. Okay, let him go. It's okay. निशांत जी thank you for joining. वैशाली thank you for joining. आपको हम लोग अपडेट कर देंगे सारा डिटेल कि कैसे. इस बार हमारे साथ श्रद्धा नहीं आ रही है, और हमारे साथ श्रद्धा इज द मेन वन हु नहीं आ रही. वो मेरे साथ दूसरा काम भी कर रही है, तो आई एम अवेयर दैट शी इज इन्वॉल्व विद मी इन सम अदर प्रोजेक्ट. So thank you so much everyone, and I'll share the video very soon. Okay, thank you. Bye.
All right. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.